Friends, today let's solve questions related to digital electronics in Telangana 2020 ESET question paper. So the first question, logic gates minimization is done by a very simple question, K-map. What is K-map? K-map is Karnaugh map which is used to simplify a logic expression so that it can be implemented by using minimum number of logic gates. So here you will be using SOP, sum of products, which can be implemented by using AND gates, feeding into an OR gate, and also you can use product of some expression which is leading by OR gates feeding to an AND gate. Next, the equivalent name of a multiplexer is basically multiplexer is also known as data selector because it is a device that selects between analog and digital input signals and forwards a selected input to a single output line. So the selection is directed by a separate set of digital inputs known as selection lines. Next, what is an encoder? So when you have 2 power n input lines, encoder is a device which will be sending n output lines. If you see the detailed logic, encoder. Next, a JK flip-flop can be made into an SR flip-flop using 2 additional NAND gates. I will explain you how. So I have prepared the solutions of this particular question paper. You can get this in the link provided in the YouTube video description. Now see, you are having, this is your basic SR flip-flop. Now if I use 2 NAND gates, this will be converted into a JK flip-flop. Now see the question. JK flip-flop can be made from SR flip-flop by using 2 additional NAND gates. So you will keep the NAND gates in the front. Next, consider the following statements. The output of a computer communicates to the response of a communicator. Flip-flop in a register is connected in parallel. Read and write memory is volatile. Generally, n flip-flops are connected in order to store n bits of data. Now what is a register? A register is a device which is used to store information. Generally, flip-flops are connected in series to store your data. So this is wrong. So if you go by elimination, only this is your correct answer. Next, assertion R2R ladder type digital to analog converter has high speed of conversion than weighted resistance, and R2R ladder type of DA converter uses smaller number of components. Now I have to show you how exactly an R2R ladder network will look. See this has this many number of resistors, this have 4, whereas this has R2R network will be having more resistors. Now if you see the assertion, so it has higher speed of conversion and uses smaller number of, so if you observe, R2R uses smaller number of components compared to your weighted DA resistor, because weighted resistances will require tougher things. So with this, I complete the questions related to digital electronics in this paper.